I'm making a video at work because there's been good news. Macy has been adopted, one of the cats at the cat cafe, and 4 cats got adopted this past week. Mishka and Vasily, 2 of the black kittens from the pet food store, got adopted. So 5 cat adoptions, well 4 cat adoptions and 1 cat Macy on hold to be adopted. Also, the pet food store reopens for cats tomorrow. They've done the deep clean. So Saturday, I can volunteer. Wednesday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, they will put cats back in the pet food store. So next weekend, this coming weekend, there will be cat volunteering photos and maybe a video short.